Hey everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we explored system DMFs, Snowflake's built-in checks for monitoring data quality. Now let's turn the tables and build our own rules. In this video, we are diving into custom DMFs which track the data issues that matter most to your business. What are custom DMFs? If Snowflake doesn't have a built-in DMF that fits your data quality check, you can create your own using the create data metric function command. Let's create a custom DMF using create data metric function. Let's open the Snowflake. Which table do you want to apply your custom DMF? I created a table called sales data, which has simple 4 columns: order ID, customer ID, order date, and total amount. It is the same table that we used for system DMFs in our last video. Let's quickly preview the data. This is how it looks like. What is the custom rule that you want to create a function for? Let's create a function that detects low sales or record count which has less than $100. Let's see. What's our direct query for the business rule if we don't use a function? Let's write that first for simplicity purpose. Select count star from table where total amount is less than 100 or less than 1. There is one record. Alright, so this is our business rule, but we want to create a function just so we can reuse that across any table and every table that you want to apply data quality checks for. Now let me place the create function query here and then explain its structure. Create or replace data metric function. This is the function name. Low sale count is the function name. Where you want to create it in the retail DB sales schema. And every function needs arguments, right? Input arguments. The table and the columns are the arguments here. Since you are using your data quality check on a single table, you are giving one of your arguments as table, and within the table, you can define how many number of columns that you wanted to add. Here I am adding one column, any name that you can give here. I have given it argument T, argument C, just to define table and column arguments. And it would be same as your Snowflake docs naming convention, just so when you refer it, it should be easy for you. Alright, once the input arguments are defined, let's talk about the output. Which data type that it should return. Number data type, and then place your actual business logic. That is, select star from your table argument that is defined here, where your other argument that is defined under the function. It is simple, right? All you are doing is creating a function with input arguments, output arguments, and the business logic. Let's execute this. So low sale count function successfully created. Now let's use that custom data metric function. To use it, all you're doing is select the function name and inside the function to which column that you want to apply this function for. You can add that table and the column. Since your table has multiple columns, not only one single column, it is important for you to associate the specific column that you want to apply the quality check for. Otherwise, it doesn't understand which column to take as an input argument. So that's why we are adding as select total amount as argument C1 that you have defined in your function from your actual table. Let's execute this. Before we execute, let's add alias name as low sales. Execute it. It's not C1, it's C. Low sale count. Execute it. See, you got the total amount which is less than 100. Simple, isn't it? And that's how you create custom DMFs in Snowflake. This opens up huge flexibility to tailor data quality rules based on your business needs. If this helped, give it a like and share it with your data team. Next up, we'll see how to create custom DMFs that work with multiple tables. Stay tuned and keep your data muscle strong. See you in the next one.